Legend 55.
It is GTV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is gtimes.co.za. Betway Premiership game between Mamelodi Sundowns and Marumo Gallants at Bloemfontein. At Bloemfontein, where Sundowns played to a 1-0 draw. I don't think anyone expected Uguti Guzadali draw, but if you have watched the team Marumo Gallants, when they played their second game, remember their second game, Junior, they played against Orlando Pirates at this very same stadium.
Yeah.
They won that game 2-1. Nalapo, Glomdlalo, they came from behind, they equalized, they scored in the last minute. Namhlanje, they played a draw against defending champions. Ndaba Teton Londo winning man of the match. Junior, mandukubulisa mfethu kunjani?
Yeah, Shane, my brother, kunjani?
I'm okay,
Bulise
I'm
wena,
okay.
ngibulise Chasto. Bulise Benedict so Die Hard Vilagaz. Lindo Pep Guardiola angazi konje sibongo sikantwana u.
Nkosi.
Ngiyasazi ngifuna ukusihlobisa manje Nkosi yaphi? Okay Nkosi kazi. Ngibulise uNkululeko my brother. Ubafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Diski TV fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah man, true Shane. Ngicela ukushayela izandla iMarumo Gallants mfethu energy, the effort abachita bazinikele kule game, they gave it all. I think coach into beyifuna every man behind the ball when we don't have the ball, when we've got the ball ngifuna number up front, and compliment for him the game plan. I think the coach namhlanje wenza exactly what Adulo Paris did to monitor Umkwena in today's game. And Mama check Umkwena, not himself in today's game, udlale ngama moment. Second half, maybe much better from him on the ball. Yabona much better from him, but they didn't give him a space. Umchita bamnika a space, always closing him. And once you close Umkwena Sundowns, you will never find the best of Sundowns. But when on to Marcelo Allende, into ngifuna ukuyibona mina Marcelo Allende, number when you play as attacking midfield, ngifuna ukubona variety game yakho. Every time Gwena got the ball, ube reference, umnike option. You showcase whether you'll funa shot or you join a box in. Udlala wide, you go and run on the box. Manga check if first goal is Sundowns. Good run from Allende, good pass from Gwena, and good pinpoint cross from me and Allende. Could finish from Renas. As compliment the position of Renas. Well done to him.
Always inside the box.
Yeah, but Marumo Gallants, Jobangisho. I think they're supposed to score 2 goals after that goal. They were supposed to score 2 goals. Lapse of concentration, Sundowns. Too slow money defense Sundowns. These guys have got speed up front. And I think the coach, Jobangisho, Ngokudlala as a false nine. Every time it doesn't have the ball. Manga petang ball uhlala namkwen. Every time he got the ball, ilo Marumo maphethe ball, uzeta free. Compliment to the coach Gwenza Lok. Maria position if you fit. More than as a false nine, you need to be fit. Because on a task to mark someone, also on a task to go, unigi team something, going forward. So well done to him I think to score a goal. Good, beautiful goal, actually. Good pass, I think good first touch from Undlondlo. I'm not too sure with the own goal or la bola, but good run, it is sure. But Malbonga Kosa, and then Okipidu. I think lapha boy 2 lapse of concentration. Badlala 2 center back bame square. Lo muntu phakathi wenu. So akekho i-one track backwards. I'm not too sure ukuthi bamakhe kanjani.
Are they suitable for each other? Like
No. Malibonge.
Bayacombine kahle kawabajongile.
No. Malibonge, there's a lot that you need to learn umfana. I know it's a development play. Sometimes in this thing would invest a lot emfanini. But if there are players that are better than you, hlala ngaphandle. Ngifan yama-player kuya ku-development, but if awukabi ready, hlala ngaphandle. I think mina ba-complementani. Bengaspine. I mean, how many times Marumo Gallants ithola ama-chance emgemini namhlanje? Sometimes balithatha kuyenyaweni ngokuthatha isikhathi ebholweni. I think it's too slow. That's why I think the coach uNseki bekamdlalisa as a defensive midfield ngikhuluma Chen. I think laphayana kula amele adlale khona.
Or you feel like Umalibongwe, when personally you feel like Uti, he's more suitable playing as a CTM.
I think they must play him there because at the back is too slow. I know with the Sundowns build up, but the priority is to defend.
Yeah.
Yabo, sifuna ukumbona maka defender. But none other than that, it came here overall Sundowns. They are not themselves anymore. Predictable. Too predictable Sundowns. The build up is too slow. how many times they go forward. Ngikhuluma central. Badlala ngama pockets eSundowns.
Yazi Junior,
when they're on song they play ngama pockets. Yabo.
Ndingaqhawulanga sorry ngokuqhawula. Many people have been complaining ukuthi le combination kaTebza, Allende and Jaden Adams badla ukuthi iyathanda unganiki iSundowns something more when it goes forward. Wena ibona njani la combination la midfield 3 yabo?
Mina is not the midfield. I think I don't have a problem with midfield. Yeah,
midfield 3 yabo.
3 of them.
Okay.
But now the problem engiba nayo as a coach. When as a coach ngikhuluma ngawe angithi yena uMichael Caruso.
Yeah.
Anginankinga ukuthi athi okay mina ngidlalisa uTebza as a defensive midfield, ngidlalisa uAllende 2 attacking midfielders. Box to box. But now these players, especially anginankinga noTebza. Tebza is one of the best. Allende is a very talented player as well. But Allende, if he doesn't do what he's doing today, makahlale ngaphandle. Unomkhulisa outside. You understand? Unomkhulisa outside. Ongayeza ayenze better. Now le ntwana uLutlako ngayidlalisa lapha. You understand?
Started the game last week, scored a goal.
That's in thing surprise. I coach keep on changing the starting 11 sakhe. I'm not too sure ukuthi unenkinga na certain players. Phela khona ukuthi ube nenkinga personal with the player. Angeke uMabenas come last time. He come from the bench and score. And then next game on the stand. Not even on the bench. Okanye on the bench 90 minutes. This Kutlana start the game, he scores. And then uqale bench in. I'm not too sure ukuthi inkinga yini mfana. So ile nto ukuthi you paying so much kuma player, it's a must play contract. I'm not too sure. But game it's about angithi it's about the performance. If the boy perform and ukunika lento ifuna as a coach, why not play him? So uyamlimaza confidence. Psychological this boy mncane uLitlako. Izomlimaza this. Kusasa makakunika attitude kuzothi uyadelela because he will show you a funny face. Ngiyazi ukuthi he's a professional player, but he scores in fact, uyabo. So coming to this game and I'm sure mangithi kuyiSundowns they are not themselves. Even Reiners Shalulile, I don't think it's working fit to play on Reiners to Shalulile.
Last up, can't get surprised because Reiners scored. Second half, he was subbed. Maybe was it an injury? Was it a tactical change? We don't know because can't see made a post match interview ka coach. Uguti last sub ka Reiners. He started with Shalulile Lemos up front, but he was subbed second half.
That's why Michael Caruso Munye na uzothola amatayera mangibheka kahle. Yazwa ngisho no on a serious note akusijo because kuna my expectation from him. Remember these are champions. Won the league last year. Yeah. So now if he draw a game like Sundowns Kibo he lost there. Because they are chasing points. True, they are not themselves. Whether we like it or not, abadlala kahle. I mean badlala they are too scattered, man. Like team yabo abekho balance. How they play Sundowns. Fana noma ba defend it looks like not banga consider namagnini. Sundowns abekho akusihibo. So they rely on certain players. Ganti team Sundowns yonke kuzobe on song. Made everybody come to the party. So but rely on certain players and even those certain players the body language I'm not too sure ngikhuluma ngaba bomkwena. Questionable mina ngisasho nje. Also the Ronald Williams ngikhuluma ngama senior player. But none other than that. Well done to Marumo Gallants, this guy on 28 years. I think mdala kuwe lengwenye idlalile today. Lo team ayidlalile and energetic.
Yeah.
But give Sundowns something to think about. Well done to them mfana lo Ndlondlo to build up rebuild their career yakhe, yabo. Because the Pirates bayangadlali. And mangamcheka today he was on song.
He was good.
Yeah, he was on song.
I mean, usuka na la form abesuka nayo kuChen recently.
Yeah.
Remember kuChen he was so good.
Yeah, mangithi complain also Shane ye coach espanile. Bheka midfield eSundowns ukuthi uyiclose up kanjani. Ngikhuluma ngoNhlapho ngayo lo mchita lo I think it's Thole. It was Nhlapho Thole in the middle. Make sure these three at Sundowns not playing. But also Jaden Adams. Mele uJaden man mele bakhulume nomfana. One of uyalazi ibhola. But they need to speak to him umfana. The body language angisisho man. You understand? Access uye lo mina ngimbonile ngimazi. But ama player nyazi kunama player for certain teams. But mangabe uJaden Adams as a coach akakuniki next weekend and week out kunomkhulisi coach. Just play him. Kanti wenzeni umkhulisi? That's why ngibuza. Wenzeni? Also njoba ngisi starting 11 uOprem Diba what has he done to the coach? Ukuthi azamqale ngaphandle and then amenze impact player. Why azamfaka as a sub wenzeni uOprem last week? uOprem wenzanga next. So why coach umkeeper like imbeya ngaphandle? So ushana igame plan. Umkhiphelana uReiners. Ushiyusha Lulile. He scored a goal and then umkeeper. sengikhuluma ngoku-read igame kuyakushaya ushaya starting 11 ushaya noku-read igame. Sundowns, there's a lot that's going on behind the scene mfethu, because ezinye izinto azenzi sengikhuluma nangamasapo abo. Yeah, for me igame yabo nje, I think this game, if I say the team that deserve to win here yiyo iMarumo Gallants, because never played bebaseyafina up even the second half, but catching up Sundowns can counter attack and almost catching them basayivile somehow. Yeah,
Junior, inkosi kakhulu for your analysis. Namhlanje bese Bloemfontein way Mamelodi Sundowns, the defending champions as a Betway Premiership, played to a 1-1 draw against iMarumo Gallants. Sundowns now are on 15 points, just 1 point behind number 1 is Kukune, who won last night against Kaizer Chiefs. Sundowns having played a game more. Remember, they played last week against Magesi. They played namhlanje. Their next game is against Richards Bay at Loftus at 8 on Saturday. But namhlanje, Paage Bloemfontein, it's Sundowns 1, Marumo Gallants 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Shapunjan bafowethu ikamala Mulindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.